Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Learn and Success, your safe space for growth, confidence, and learning English step by step. This is the place where English doesn't feel like a subject, it feels like a second home. I'm Lisa, your friend, your guide, and your biggest cheerleader on this journey to fluency and self belief. Today, we're diving into something every English learner dreams about: how to speak English fluently and confidently, just like you speak your mother language. And yes, it is possible. Even if English feels hard right now, even if you feel shy, even if you make mistakes, because let me tell you something important. You are not alone and you are not stuck. In this video, I'll share real steps, real tips, real talk, and of course, daily sentences for you to shadow and practice. That's the heart of Learn and Success. Learning that feels practical, human, and supportive. So get comfortable, put on your earphones, grab a tea or coffee if you like, and let's start this transformation together. Part 1. The truth nobody tells you about fluency. Let's be honest. When you think of speaking English fluently, what comes to your mind? Perfect grammar? Big vocabulary? A British or American accent? Here's the truth. None of those are the real key to fluency. Fluency means you speak without fear. You speak naturally. You think in English instead of translating every word. Ask yourself this: do you translate before speaking your mother language? Of course not. You just speak. So your goal is not perfection. Your goal is comfort. And today I'll show you how to build that comfort. Step 1. Think in English. Don't translate. This is the biggest secret most learners never hear. Stop translating in your head. Translation slows you down and kills confidence. Instead, start thinking in English using simple daily actions. Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm going outside. It's sunny today. I'm feeling good. Every time you do something, say it in English. Say it softly, whisper it, or say it in your mind. This is how English becomes part of your life, just like your first language. Step 2. Speak every day, even when you're alone. If you want fluency, you must speak every single day, even if no one is listening. Here are 5 powerful ways to practice speaking alone. 1. Shadow videos like this one. Repeat everything I say. Copy the tone and rhythm. Pretend we're talking face to face. 2. Talk to yourself. What should I wear? I'm feeling sleepy. Today is going to be great. 3. Record your voice. Listen back and improve little by little. 4. Mirror talk. Look into your eyes and say, I am a confident English speaker. 5. Use voice memos or apps. Practice for just 1 minute every morning. Now let's say some powerful sentences together. Repeat after me. I will speak English every day. Even if I make mistakes, I will try. My voice deserves to be heard. I can and I will speak English confidently. Say them again. Believe them. Step 3. Learn sentences, not just words. If you memorize 10 new words every day, stop for a moment. That's the old way. Fluency comes from sentences, not words. You can know 1,000 words, but if you can't use them, you won't speak fluently. But if you know 100 useful sentences, you can talk to anyone. Learn phrases like, can you help me with this? I'm not sure, but I'll try. That's a good question. Let me think about it. I don't understand. Could you say that again? These are real-life expressions. Natural and smooth. Let's shadow together. Can I ask you something? I'm learning English step by step. Please speak slowly. I'm still improving, but I'm confident. This is real English. This is what works. Step 4. Don't wait for confidence. Build it. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes because you speak. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You fall, you shake, you feel scared, but you keep going. English is the same. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll wait forever. So speak now, even if your voice shakes, even if you forget words, even if you make mistakes, because every sentence makes you stronger. Let's say this together. I am brave enough to speak English today. I don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Mistakes help me grow. I am improving every day. Let it sink in. Step 5. Use English in real life. Ask yourself, where can I actually use English? Here are simple ideas. Change your phone and social media to English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read short stories or menus in English. Comment in English on videos. Practice speaking with AI or online groups. The more English you see and use, the more natural it becomes. Repeat with me. English is not a subject. English is a tool. I enjoy learning English every day. Fluency is coming, step by step. Before moving on, remember this. Fluency is a habit, not a gift. Confidence is practice, not magic. And Learn and Success is here to support you every step of the way. Part 2. Learn English like a child. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you study grammar? Did you fear mistakes? No, you listened, you copied, you tried again and again. That's how fluency grows. So listen more, repeat more, speak simple sentences, build slowly. Let's practice childlike repetition. I want to learn. I like English. I will try again. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning every day. Simple sentences build strong fluency, breaking emotional blocks. What really stops people from speaking is not grammar. It's fear, shame, overthinking. Let's change that mindset together. Repeat with me. I'm not bad at English. I'm learning. My accent is part of me. I don't need perfection to be confident. Every mistake makes me better. Feel the difference. The 7-Day Fluency Booster Plan. Day 1. Listen and shadow for 5 minutes. Day 2. Talk to yourself all day. Day 3. Record your voice. Day 4. Mirror Talk Challenge. Day 5. Comment in English online. Day 6. Learn 5 useful sentences. Day 7. Speak with someone or simulate a conversation. Repeat this every week. Fluency will grow naturally. Advanced shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every day. Sometimes I forget words, but that's okay. Can you repeat that, please? Let me think for a second. That's an interesting question. Now faster. More natural. You're doing great. Final reminders from Learn and Success. You already speak one language fluently. Speak every day. Think in English. Use shadowing. Believe in yourself. You don't need a perfect accent. You need your voice. You are not just learning English. You are building confidence. You are opening doors. If this video helped you, subscribe to Learn and Success. Share it with someone who needs encouragement. Practice again tomorrow. Before you go, say this with me. I speak English confidently. I speak English naturally. Every day, I get better and better. I'm proud of you. This is Lisa from Learn and Success, signing off. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in your voice.